Welcome to week 1 of our November mystery box knit along. There's a huge giveaway. This is a big event in November, so make sure to click the link in the description. For this knit along, we are using Mary Maxim Glimmer yarn. There are 2 balls of Glimmer yarn in each mystery box for the month of November. This is the knit version of our make along. It's called the Lattice and Lace Cowl. You can see this beautiful lace work here. It has a mock cable in it, and it's really pretty, really simple. So you're going to start by casting on 45 stitches on a size 8 or 5mm needle. You can use a circular or straight, that does not matter in this case. Row 1, this is the right side of our work. We're going to knit 3, that's part of our garter stitch border. Then we'll purl 3. And now we're getting into the repeat. Now every time that you see a repeat, we're going to slow it down for you. So for our repeat, we're going to knit 3. Yarn forward and around the needle. So we're not just yarning forward, we have to go all the way around because we're going from a yarn over to a purl 3. And that's why it's yarn forward around the needle. So we're going to purl 3, and we're going to repeat from the asterisk to the last 3 stitches. That is the other side of our garter stitch edge, or garter stitch border. Row 2. This is the wrong side of our work, so we're going to start with a knit 6. Then we'll purl 4 and knit 3, repeating from the asterisk to the last 3 stitches. So the repeat is the purl 4, knit 3. Row 3. On row 3, we're going to knit 3, purl 3. Then our repeat is a knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, purl 3. Repeated from the asterisk to the last 3 stitches, knit 3. row 4. On row 4, we are going to knit 6, purl 2 together, knit 3. On row 4, we're going to start with a knit 6, and then we'll begin our repeat. Our repeat is a purl 2 together, knit 3, repeat from the asterisk to the last 3 stitches. The last 3 stitches are a knit 3. Row 5. On row 5, we start with a knit 3, purl 3, and then we begin our repeat. Our repeat is a knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, purl 3. We repeat from our asterisk to the last 3 stitches. Our last 3 stitches are a knit 3. Row 6. Row 6 is the last row of our pattern repeat. We start this row with a knit 6. Then we get into our stitch repeat with a purl 3, knit 3. Repeat from the asterisk to the last 3 stitches, knit 3, and you're finished with row 6. Repeat these 6 rows until this part of the pattern is about 8 inches. Each repeat is a about 1 inch. So you should be repeating this 7 more times. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles. There are more games, there are more treats, all kinds of goodies coming up. So make sure to tag us in your postings. Make sure to use the Merry Maxim November Mystery Box event hashtag and tag us on your social media posts. Follow us on all of our social media profiles, and happy crafting!